The Nuggets taking on the Clippers. And the Nuggets are desperately trying to hold on to that first seed. They've got the Warriors chasing them down. Check out Gallinari going baseline, throwing it down. Two defenders tried to get there in time. They couldn't do it. And there goes a tip slam for Tobias Harris. The early lead is for the Clippers. And now Harrell is going to throw one down. It's a dunk party. That Nuggets defense is looking soft. In the second quarter, Jokic being a bully. Look at that. He's just going to get his own rebound and then score. The toughness. He refuses to give up. And he's talking a little bit of trash. In the second half, Jokic is at the half court line. He gets stripped. That's going to lead to a wide open slam, and the frustration is building with Jokic as the Nuggets are forced to call a timeout. And then inside, there's going to be a foul. Gortat goes down, and Jokic can't believe the call. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. He's going at the refs, and they're going to toss him out of the game. And without Jokic on the court, that Nuggets offense is not as versatile. And they're down by double digits. They got to try to get back in the game. Nice move in the lane. The Clippers are turning up the heat now. Lou Will gets in the lane, gives it to Harrell. That is ferocious. He's hanging on the rim. Maybe he should get a technical foul for that. Another miss, another tip slam from Harrell. He's raising the roof. The Nuggets are getting absolutely destroyed. That's what happens when your best player gets ejected. Don't do that. Don't get ejected. Ooh, got him leaning. It's gonna be a long night for De'Aaron Fox. Look at that reaction from the bench. They're going crazy. As soon as he started to stumble, they're jumping out of their seats. Ooh. I've got a